Hello guys, welcome to Khushiskitchen. Today I am going to prepare quick and easy Chinese fried rice. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. If you are a new friend to this channel, it's a request, please subscribe the channel. Let's get into the video while giving thanks to all of my old friends who stays beside me time to time and also watched my videos. I also welcome new friends too. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. So you can pause the video and check the list in details. While cooking, I will also dictate the same step by step. How to pressure cook the rice easily and quickly for making Chinese fried rice. I am sharing the link below in the description box. If you want, you can also watch it too. I have also prepared Chinese mixed fried rice too. Both the links are given below in the description box, so you can also check it out. To make Chinese veg with egg fried rice, I am roughly chopping the veggies which is present at my home: carrots, beans, capsicum, spring onions, garlic, ginger too. You can also add veggies according to your own choice. Here I am taking 3 numbers of egg which is also present at home. First I am cracking the eggs in a bowl, then add some salt to taste and black pepper powder and whisk the egg mixture well. Now I am taking a wok and place it on the gas oven, and now switching the flame of the burner on high and let the wok be heated. After heated the wok, I am adding some vegetable oil and let the oil be heated. After heated the oil, I poured the egg mixture to the oil and started scrambling it till little yellowish. After frying the eggs, I am taking out the eggs in a bowl. On the same wok, I am adding some more vegetable oil and let the oil be heated. After heated the oil, first I am adding some roughly chopped garlic, onions and a little bit of salt too, and fry the both well until the onion turns translucent. Then I am adding some roughly chopped beans, carrot too. Stir and cook for 1 minute, and then I am adding capsicum and spring onions. Now I am cooking all the veggies for 2 minutes. Then I am adding the previous done 8% rice, and with the help of 2 spatula, I am continuously stirring the whole and mix all the veggies with rice well. After stirring the whole for 2 to 3 minutes. Last but not the least, a little bit of soya sauce and a little bit of vinegar, salt to taste, and black pepper powder. Also adding some pieces of scrambled eggs and spring onions and chopped ginger too. After giving a quick stir, now I am taking out the fried rice in a big vessel. I have completed the whole in the same manner. After frying the whole fried rice, I am placing the same on the big vessel. Now I am placing a lid on a big vessel and shaking the whole fried rice well for 2 to 3 times instead of tossing. Serve it hot with some sauces. Here I have taken a serving bowl and served the Chinese fried rice. Now I am decorating the plate with some chopped carrots, a capsicum, spring onions. The step is totally optional. You can skip it totally. If you like the recipe, then do try it at least once at home and let me know by comments in comment section below. Your comments and likes both motivate me to make such recipes like this. Please consider the channel Khushiskitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming new cooking videos in advance. My heartfelt thanks to those friends who have already subscribed my channel. Today's video is over for the time being and will be coming back soon with a new cooking recipe. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.